Hey guys, it's me, ArayliaJS, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be dyeing the clothes in my closet just like bright colors. I've chosen orange, pink, and green, and I'm super excited. I have a bunch of white stuff in my closet and I wanted to dye them. So I'm going to be doing a lot of items today. I have dresses, shirts, skirts, and maybe I'm going to even try to dye a purse. I'm going to see how that can work. But I wanted to get some new bright colored clothes, and they will not fit in my closet if I do. Like, I have so many clothes, so I thought I might as well reuse the clothes that I have, and then I'm going to dye them. So I think it's going to be so much fun, and I'm hoping that it turns out good because I'm doing a lot of stuff. So if it messes up, well, I'll just have to get new stuff. So it's going to be my first time like dyeing my clothes. So I'm super excited, and I need to go to the store and get the dyes that I want. Here's the dye that I got. I got this pink, I got this color called emerald green. I have sunshine orange and fuchsia pink, and they're really pretty. And it was not that expensive to get these. They're only like it wasn't expensive at all. These are a great deal if you want to completely change your clothes because they're only like $3 a bottle. And I got 3 colors, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I just got home and the colors I got are so pretty. So I just got these 3 colors and I'm super excited. I've never used these before, but I have a lot of items, and so I'm not entirely sure. But I think the first color that I'm going to start off with is green, because at the moment I only have 2 items that I want to dye green. So I think that green will be the perfect color for these first 2 items. I think I'm going to do pink last. So we're going to start off with green, and I'm going to see how that goes. We're headed back to Hobby Lobby because I got the wrong dye. Now I have to go back and get the other one. So we got to get that too. Okay, I went back to the store and I got some more dye. So I got this one, and it's called like Rit Dye more. And so it actually will dye the fabrics that I'm trying to dye. Yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. So we have a lot of stuff to dye, and I think it's gonna be super fun. But I'm gonna start off with the green stuff. So the first thing that I did was fill up this bucket with 3 gallons of water. Apparently you're supposed to put 3 gallons of water per every 1 pound of clothing. And I didn't measure my clothes to find out how heavy they were, so I'm not entirely sure, but I hope that it was good enough. So I just put that in there, and it was really hot water. I boiled 1 gallon of it, and then the rest I just did the hottest water off the tap. So I just used tap water for 2 gallons and boiling water for 1, and it was really hot. So the first thing that I was supposed to do was soak my clothes in the hot water, and I just did that. And I don't even know why the water was supposed to be so hot. Like, I didn't even know that you needed hot water to dye clothes, but apparently you do. And then I had to use the Rit Dye all, so I'm not entirely sure if I was supposed to add anything to it. All I remember reading was adding a teaspoon of dish soap, which I'm doing now. And I didn't measure that out either, but I should have. I don't know. But it said to shake it up and add the dye, and I saw some people adding like vinegar or salt, and I did not do that. I did not really read the instructions. I just started pouring stuff into this container, and I was just hoping for the best. But I stirred that up, and I put my wet clothes in there, and I actually left this in here for about an hour. So I was just watching some videos while I was waiting for that, and I just sat there and stirred this for an hour because I wanted a really deep green. And so after sitting and stirring that for an hour, it wasn't too much work, but it looked so pretty. Like once I finished and pulled it all out of the dye, it was so pretty, and I love the color, but it changes after you wash it. But I was soaking these in cold water. You have to rinse them, and these were like little enough items that they actually fit in that bucket of water. And so that was just really cold water, and I was just rinsing everything out. And I did this a couple of times to get all of the dye out, and I think it turned out really nice. But I did go and proceed to rinse these out some more, and then I washed them and put them in the dryer. They lighten quite a bit after you put them in the dryer, but I love the way that they turned out, and they look absolutely amazing. So this next item that I'm dyeing is my beautiful white dress. I absolutely love this dress. This is the only white dress that I own, and I start off by doing the exact same steps that I did on the last two items. And I actually put salt in this one this time because I actually read the instructions. I added the dish soap, and then I added half the bottle of the Rit Dye. And this one was a lot more pigmented, but I think it was the material because the dress was 100% cotton, and so it turned out really nice and pretty. But I was super nervous about dyeing this because this is one of my favorite dresses, and I'm so glad that I did. I think that the pink suits it so much more better because I felt like it looked like a white marshmallow because there's so much fabric in this, and even though it's a small, it's absolutely huge on me. But I think it's absolutely beautiful now, and I think the color turned out amazing. But again, I just let this soak for an hour, and it was so pigmented. It took me forever to rinse this out. I couldn't even get it in that little bucket of water. I was trying to, but this dress has so much material. I had to rinse it out, and once I washed it, it turned out absolutely amazing. But I think that this was my absolute favorite dress out of everything, and I love the way that it looks so much. Okay, so I completely forgot to film an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys dye your clothes, let me know. That's super cool, and I hope this video helps. This is my first time dyeing, and I think it turned out amazing. I've never dyed anything before, so it was definitely new to me, but it was super fun and it turned out great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!